In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix iPhone not connecting to 3uTools. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is your USB cable. Connection issues are often caused by damaged, low quality or non-certified charging cables as well as USB hubs. Always use an original Apple Lightning cable or an MFI certified cable and connect your iPhone directly to a USB port on your PC instead of using a USB hub. Next, unlock your iPhone after connecting it to your computer. If prompted, tap Trust this computer and enter your iPhone's passcode. This permission is required for 3uTools to communicate with the device. Be sure to tap Trust instead of Don't Trust, otherwise the connection will fail. If you don't see the Trust prompt, open Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset and choose Reset Location and Privacy. Enter your passcode to confirm, reconnect your iPhone, and the Trust This Computer prompt should appear again. Another common solution is to install or reinstall Apple's device drivers. Although you may not use iTunes regularly, 3uTools relies on the official Apple drivers that come with iTunes. Download and install the latest version of iTunes for Windows, restart your computer, and then reopen 3uTools. This often resolves device detection issues. You should also make sure you are using the latest version of 3uTools, as older versions may not work properly with newer iPhone models or iOS updates. If an update is available, install it and try connecting your device again. If the issue still is not fixed, restart both your iPhone and computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that prevent the connection from being established. Also, make sure you are not connected to a VPN, as some VPN services can interfere with communication between your iPhone and 3uTools. Finally, check whether your version of 3uTools supports the version of iOS installed on your iPhone. If a device is running a very new or very old version of iOS, compatibility issues may prevent it from connecting until 3uTools is updated. So that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix an iPhone that won't connect to 3uTools. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.